Today I'm doing something a little different. This is a handmade bow I've made, and I have a feeling it's going to snap whenever I'm working on this, so I'm trying to thin this down so it may work better. That's just my theory. But we shall see. Oh, yep, it broke there. That's okay. Alright, so what's going on here is right here. You can see right there is its weak point. It wants to snap there. I'm trying to thin this out here. So it will not snap. Alright, so now I'm going to string it. See if I can't do that. Oh, dang it. There we go. Alright. Well, now it's a good time to test this. It's probably not going to do that good though. Alright, so I'm using this arrow. Of course, I need to fix the fletchings a little, but it'll work for now. Let's see how far she'll fly. Well, that's not that bad. I mean, let's see. This is 3. Alright, so from here to that old hay wagon. That was 93 feet. So that bow was shot. This arrow, 93 feet. And this point, I mean, I'm not worried about it because it's flint and it's pretty thin. It's not that good. It's pretty thin. It's pretty good. And one of you guys said to use JB Quick Weld, or that looks like pine pitch or pine tar, whichever one. And I got that, and it works really well. That's what I have on here. And so now I'm going to thin the other side of the bow. Well, my other bowstring broke, so I'm making me some new with artificial sinew. So I'm just getting me a long amount of this stuff. Let's see, that's good. Cut it. Alright, so now I'm going to find where's the middle spot. Alright, so basically how this sort of works is you loop it, you fold it in two. Then you grab one side, get the way you guys are. You twist forward, you pull towards you. Twist forward, pull towards you. Until you get a nice long string. Alright, so I sort of finished it. I started to do that braid and then it kept getting messed up. Not messed up, but when you braid that way, it like does it reverse on the other end of the string. And then so I went to actually braiding, like braiding hair or braiding hair, and that did the same thing. That frustrated me, so I just twisted it. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use a little flame to make sure it stays. Let's see. Well, I can illustrate you guys a little. I can't really find anywhere to. Oh, I'll take that back. Alright, so that's what you do. Along the whole string. Alright, so now let's see how it works. With this new bowstring, modified bow too. I did hear a snap, so the tip may have broke. Well, the tip broke. But that's okay, I'll fix that. But hey, it was about 45 feet, but I didn't pull back as far as I could on the bow, so I guess I'll try it.